In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create autoresponders in Zoho campaigns. You'll learn how to set one up, choose the right trigger, build your messages, and activate your sequence so emails send themselves. Start by logging into Zoho campaigns. In the navigation, go to Automation and select Autoresponders. This is where you'll create, view, and manage your series. Create a new sequence with Create Autoresponder, then choose the type. Sign-up-based sends when someone joins your list. Great for welcomes. Email action-based follows up after an open, any click, or a specific link click to nurture interest. Closed group or date-based works for fixed groups or calendar-driven messages, like birthdays, renewals, or reminders. Pick the option that matches your goal so the timing feels natural for your audience. Configure the basics next. Give the autoresponder a clear name, such as Welcome Series, so it's easy to find later. Pick the mailing list the sequence will use, and, if needed, narrow delivery to a segment so only certain subscribers receive it. For sign-up-based sequences, decide whether to include contacts added via import or CRM sync. Keeping names and lists tidy now makes reporting and future edits much easier. Now build the messages. Click Create message to add your first email. Enter a concise subject line, choose the from address, and design the content as you would a normal campaign. When you're done, open Send Settings. You can send immediately, schedule a specific date and time, or apply a delay so it goes out after a set interval. You can include up to 50 messages in a series, spacing them to match your customer journey. Aim for consistency in tone and branding, and keep each email focused on a single clear outcome. Set triggers and timing so everything fires correctly. For sign-up-based sequences, the trigger is when a contact is added to the list. For email action-based sequences, the trigger responds to opens, any click, or a specific link click in the source campaign. For date-based sequences, the trigger is a custom date field, such as a birthday. Apply delays to follow-ups to keep a steady cadence, and double-check time zones or quiet hours to avoid sending at odd times. When everything looks right, start your autoresponder by selecting Start Now or Activate. Zoho campaigns will take over, sending messages according to your triggers and schedules. Before you activate, preview your emails, test links, and confirm the audience settings, then let the automation run.